Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will share you how to create a light sweep effect to a text with white background. So first type the text and then go to element and then add a white gradient shadow. So the note is find the element that can be cropped like this. Okay, and then I will crop it like this. Reduce the transparency to about 80, enter. And then add the other one that bigger, like this. Reduce the transparency, 80. Reduce the size, like this, and crop it. Now select this white blur element and also the first, and then group it. And then send it here, and then click this thumbnail view, click duration, click the time, set it to 2 seconds, enter. And then right click here and duplicate. On the page 2, select the white blur and then send it here so it will be invisible. And then click the space between these two pages, add a transition, match and move, and then add the duration to maximum. Now let's play it. Alright, so now you have the light sweep effect for the text with white background. See you next video and have fun with Canva.